Just change to purple. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 is still 12. So now I'm going to do blue. 7 plus 1 plus 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 8 plus 8, that should be a math fact, 16.
That should be an easy one.
Good job, class. Meters on both. Am I done yet?
No.
What do I need to do to these two numbers? Wait for more hands to go up.
Every
Everybody
hand
should know this.
should be up right now.
Every single hand should be up.
He's trying to find the area. He's added the green and the blue. No, sorry, find the perimeter. He's finding the perimeter. He had to add the green and the blue. What does he do? What is that? Like you have to watch. Ollie, you'll repeat that question.
I just added all my green sides together, and I added all my blue sides together. And I got 12 and 16. So what's my next step, my final step in solving for the problem?
So what's he need to do?
What's he gonna do with
Ollie, we've added the blue and we've added the green. Now, we want to know what's all the way around. What's he have to do with those two numbers now? Add. Very good.
Good job,
Thank you,
Ollie.
Ollie. Add those together. Because remember, he separated. He did green. I'm sorry, he's the teacher. I can't help myself. I
It's
can't
fine.
help myself. Oh, it's just too hard for me. Okay, I'll be quiet.
So now I'm doing 12 and 16. 12 plus 16. 2 plus 6. So 6, 7, 8. And then 1 plus 1, 2. Meters equals perimeter. My final answer is 28 meters for perimeter.
So that shape all the way around is what?
28.
28 meters. All right, so that fence is 28 meters. Very good.
So now since we have our sides, area is a lot more easier. So again, class, everybody, what's our formula for area?
Every hand
Everybody.
should be up right now. Every hand.
Let's say it together.
Length times width.
Good job.
Good. Those should be memorized up in here now.
Length times width. So again, I'm going to split my shape. And I'm going to split it the long way right here. Label them. I'm going to do green for purple again just so it's easier to see. So now for A, I need to multiply a green number and a blue number. I'm going to give you time to think. Which green number and which blue number?
Length is always times when it's area.
He's looking at A, shape A, rectangle
What is it
A.
gonna be?
We're going to find area, the inside. What's he going to multiply? Abril, yell it out. 7 times 4. Oh, Abril, why didn't you do 6? Why didn't you do 6? I don't understand. I see 6 though. Oh, but you got a 4. What? I don't understand. Yell it out. Because what? Oh, the shape is divided. Oh, I forgot. Okay, duh. All righty. 7 times 4. I like the idea that you can explain why you're doing something. Okay.
So what is 7 times 4, bro?
Everybody.
28.
What's 7 times 4?
Now for B, we got to do the same thing. We got to multiply a blue number and a green number.
Blue and a green. What is it going to be? I love
Right here, Dan. What are my two numbers that I need to multiply together?
8 times 2.
8 times 2, but we have the 6 again on that side. How come you didn't do the 6? But it's covering up the whole shape. We have it divided.
Yeah.
So 8 and 2.
Times 2.
Because he's right. Grant's right. Abril was right. That 6 is that whole shape, isn't it? We divided it, so we're looking over on that side more. Okay?
So math facts as a class, what is 8 times 2? Everybody.
18.
16.
Just like 8 plus 8.
Am I done now?
No.
What's my last step?
Brandon, what's his last step? We're trying to find the area, the inside of the shape. What have we done so far, Brandon?
Come on, Lincoln, stand up. What do you think you're
We
gonna
found the area of both. Now what do we have to do?
We have both of those. Now we want the whole thing, Brandon. What will I need to do? Thank you. Add.
What numbers am I adding, Brandon? 28 and 16.
Very good.
So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6. 6 times. I gotta carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. .44 meters squared, or square meters. That's just my unit of measurement that I use at the end of area. So now you're gonna practice some in your groups, and I already highlighted for you. So the blue is the length, and the orange is the width. Okay?
Awesome. So put your name and number at the top like you always do. Tell he had a colored crayon to work with. Name and number. We're going to have Faith get the lights on for us. Daniel, you may join your team here.
So you can work on them with your partners and not your whole team. But before we start, class, I want us to do this first thing up here. In this blank area, I want you to write our code, our formula for perimeter. So write it down right now.
P equals what? AAS. Add all sides. And what else are you going to write on there? Area. So A equals. What's A equal?
Length times width.
And then area A.
So you already have your
Equals, put your equal
formulas.
sign.
So
Length
second, class,
Yes.
width.
second, I want you to go around all the shapes, and for the missing sides, I want you to put your own question mark there. So for every side that's missing, I want you to put a question mark there.
Question mark here.
So you know that's what you need to solve for.
You can see it.
And
Where's it missing? That's a number there, there,
right
what's
here.
missing? Question
On
mark.
all of them. On every single shape, I want you to write a question mark for the missing side.
And check with your partner.
What's missing?
If you want to sit by him, that would be easier. Okay, and check with your team.
Okay,
Okay, make sure we can see it, okay? Partner, yeah, partners. So make sure you both agree.
make a question mark. For goodness sakes, right here, that's a question mark. I don't know what you're
So
doing.
double check them. Now look with your partner. Do you have the same question marks on the same areas,
question mark?
sides?
Alright, where's your question mark go? Alright.
Class,
Yes.
there's one more thing I want you to do. In every shape, I want you to separate the shape into 2 rectangles. So let's draw our dotted line, and we're going to label within our regular shape A and B. So just how we separated right here, just how I separated, dotted line,
Dotted line.
and I want you to label A and B.
Now you might want to separate it with your partner since you're kind of working together, maybe the same place. Is that all right, Mr. M?
Yeah, that's fine.
They're working together? Just because you're working together. There's a few strategies just to get started here to help you be successful.
You should do this every single time before you even start the problem. So if you have any, you're gonna go ahead and work on these. If you have any problems trying to solve for, please ask me or Miss H, and we'll come and help you. Okay? So go ahead and get started. We gotta look at A and B. Remember? A and B.
Remember, why are you dividing? Just to find the area. Will this make any difference on your perimeter? No. No, because the outside. The only reason the division's going where you're going to see it, the difference is just when you're doing area. Perimeter, you're still going around like normal. Yeah. On
Remember,
the
perimeter,
outside.
we're just finding the rim.
The rim.
The outside. Go ahead and show me the rim of your desk.
Okay.
The perimeter of your desk.
That's the rim. There you go. Rim is right in the work.
Now show me the area of your desk. Inside. Good job. So like I said, if you have any questions, please ask me or Miss H, and we'll be more than happy to come around and help you out. Go ahead and get started.
Okay, get started with your partner. Define the perimeter. You're not even worried about the inside yet. Define the perimeter. Okay. Okay. So if that's 8, that's 5. What's this going to be?
I wish you could write it
We
down.
don't need to find it.
That's 8 from there to there. From there to there, that's 5. Then you add this on.
I want you to write it, but every
So what do you
time
think?
you write it
You're
down.
right. All of this.
So let's take your question mark out and put 3. Now, is there just one question mark? Okay, could you start adding up your perimeter? Now, he adds the orange first, and then he adds the blue and adds them together. Okay, so it's not so much addition, but that's up to you, okay?
Add all sides.
Add all sides, however you want to do that. Mr. M, I'm gonna give them an option. There's some that would like to do the orange and the blue separately and then add them, and there's some that just want to do the whole thing. So we'll give you that option.
Whatever works for you.
What works for you?
Whatever works for you. I just do blue and green so I don't get confused. But
So
if you
you
want to
never
add
get
them all,
confused.
that's up to you.
All right, so we've done it both ways now, so make that decision.
This one's going to my home question.
No, actually it's five.
I have all my
Now, this could be a little dangerous. So just do it right on the side here. Okay? When you're turning that, you know what I mean?
This whole side is 8.
Okay, 3, 5.
And I'm missing this side. What is this?
Class. Yes. I don't see, Mr. M, I don't see a perimeter. Can they just write it, maybe at P equals right above there?
Yes.
So just put, above area, just put P equals. Because we're finding both, okay? Okay. So sometimes you'll just find area, sometimes you'll find both. Sometimes you'll just find perimeter. We're gonna try to do both.
My long side, my big side is 8. Right? And I'm having this spot. So 5 plus 1.
Yes.
5 plus what? If I have 5. So I have 5, right? We can say, let's count to 8.
So let's get 20 plus.
What's my first one?
There's only 5. How many more do I need? 1 plus 8. 1 plus 5 equals 8.
Okay, now let's do 32.
So now add all sides. Have all my sides.
7, 8. How many is that?
Wait,
3. So see that 3 there?
Add all my sides.
wait,
Add all my sides.
so we're gonna do.
Because see, this is 8 from here to here. This is only 5. But if we brought this down here, if we brought this down here, that would be 3, just like that.
Maybe add all my sides, that's where we're.
Doesn't that stop?